one more getting in. So we have 19 now in the class. Uh, Today may be the last day you are in the class without attendance. This is the last day. From next day, I will take attendance. I already have the attendance register with me. I got the sheets, attendance sheets. So from next day, if you are not attending the class with the real name, that will be a problem. Understood? So attend the class with the real names as it is registered in your school register. So we were discussing, or were supposed to start the discussion about the number system. What is number system? Number system is the process of representing numbers using symbols. Symbol के जरिए or symbols or marks or something through which we can represent the numbers, and that is termed as number system. So the most common number system is the decimal. The most common number system is the decimal number system. Many of you may be thinking, एक मैथ से तो परेशान थे, ऊपर से नंबर सिस्टम कंप्यूटर में भी. Yes, yes, it is, and it is very important too. Now the question is, sir, why it is very important? भाई कंप्यूटर में नंबर सिस्टम की क्या जरूरत है? Very simple. What does computer understands? 0 and 1. Are those alphabets? Isn't it? They are digits. And everything in the computer is represented in the form of numbers. We know it. We know that computer understands only zeros and ones. If we had to represent A, we represent it in a number. Even my voice, what you are listening now, they are also being transferred in the form of numbers. So you can understand, number system is very important in computer. Computing technology, number system is very important. But that computing, what is the number system? It is bit different from the natural number system we uses. The natural number system we uses, it consists of 10 digits. 10 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There is no 10, isn't it? There is 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we have these 10 digits. That's why it is termed as decimal number system, because decimal means 10. Decimal means 10. And therefore, the number system we had learned, or what we naturally perform, is decimal number system. But the computer doesn't understand the decimal number system. Here is the problem. The problem is computer do not understand the decimal number system. It understands only the binary number system. So what is binary number system? Binary number system is the number system in which all the numbers can be represented by 2 digits. All the numbers can be represented by 2 digits. And those 2 digits, you know, zeros and ones. Do computer understand other number system? Yes. Computer do understand other 2 number system. Computer understands 2 more number system. The second one, first one is the binary. The second one is octal, and the third one is hexadecimal. So these three number systems we have to discuss: binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Now, binary means 2. Fine, there are 2 digits, 0 and 1. Octal, octa means 8. That means the number system consists of 8 digits. What are those 8 digits? What are those 8 digits? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the 8 digits. 0 to 7. सर ये भी तो समझ में आ गया, मगर हेक्साडेसिमल मतलब 16. हेक्साडेसिमल मतलब 16. देयर मस्ट बी 16 डिजिट्स. हैं 16 डिजिट? ऐसे कैसे? कौन कौन सा डिजिट होगा? 10 तो जानते हैं, 0 to 9. बाकी the rest 6 digits are 0 to 9 are 10 digits, and the rest 6 digits A, B, C, D, E, and F. Now, I'm going to share the screen with you, and we will understand it better. Now, so we are going to share the screen. Okay, doing this part. Now you can see on the screen I had already written decimal to binary. Instead of that, now we were discussing about the number system. Now the normal number system, what we understand is there are number one, what we understand is decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and the last one is hexadecimal system. Number system, obviously, left the system. Now, what are these and why those? In decimal number system, there are 10 digits. And what are the digits? 0 to 9. In binary number system, there are 2 digits. What are those? 0 and 1. In octal number system, there are 8 digits. What are the digits? 0 to 7. And hexadecimal number system, there are 16 digits. And those 16 digits are 0 to 9, then A to F. So this is the normal number system we understand. or we have to discuss about in this particular chapter. Fine. Now, one by one, decimal number system you had discussed or you had learned in mathematics. Fine. We have to start the discussion from the second one. But before discussion, let us understand something like this. Going to clear the board. Need not to clear the board, I'm just swapping it out. Okay. Now, let us understand what is this? Is it a decimal number or a binary number or a octal number और a hexadecimal number? ये किस टाइप का नंबर है? ऑक्टल नंबर है, हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर है, डेसिमल नंबर है या सिर्फ बाइनरी नंबर है? Because 1 and 0 are the digits that exist in all the number system. Now we don't have any idea what is this. So when we represent a number, we must represent it in the form of like this. So it indicates that it is a binary number system because the base is 2. That means it consists of only 2 digits. Octal number system. Hexadecimal number system. This is a binary number system. Now, do all the values are same? No. All the values are not same. Although it reads 101, but there is the difference between their bases. These bases are termed as radix. These bases are termed as radix. Now, what is radix and why it is important? Radix is important so that we can understand to which number system a particular number belongs to. To which number system a particular number belongs to. Through the radix, we can understand that. Now, our first discussion is to be the binary number system. So what are the 2 digits of binary number system are? 0 and 1. That means every number we need to represent, we can think about, can be represented in zeros and ones. Every number that we can think about can be represented in zeros and ones. Obviously, but we don't know how they are being done, how they are represented. So now we are going to understand how. Now someone tried to raise the hand or something like that through the video. My dear, you cannot raise the hand through video because your videos are closed, and once you start the video, I'll close again. Your audios are already closed. You cannot start the audio at all unless I allow you to do that. So how to do that? Touch the screen. At the bottom, you can see more. Touch the screen. At the bottom, you can see written more. From more, there is the option like this. If you touches that, I'll get who had raised the hand, and accordingly I'll give you chance to speak to the class. Now Let us discuss. So what we were discussing, that how to convert a decimal number system to binary number system. How to convert a decimal number to binary number. There are certain rules to be followed. First one, divide the decimal number by 2. This is the first step. Divide the decimal number by 2. Step number 2. Write the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. So what you need? You need to write the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Number 3. Step number 3. Repeat step 2 till the quotient is 1 or 0. You have to repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 1 or 0. Now the last step and step number 4. Write the remainders in reverse order. So obviously we get a number of remainders, and those remainders we need to write them in the reverse order. Means first the last one, and at the last we have the first one. Now we have to take example, because maths without example it is very difficult to understand. So first of all, you had seen the process. Obviously you can see there is some very handwriting is not that much good, fine, but you can still understand, isn't it? So you have to manage that, because I'm not writing on a board actually, so it is being digitized. So when it is being digitized, you can understand. However we write, the digitization process is little difficult. So I have a small board. This is your white blackboard, what you are whiteboard you are watching now. So we are going to take the example of how to. Okay, fine. There is no more way. So let us clear the board. Yeah. Now we are going to take example of convert say 27 to binary. We are going to convert 27 to binary. So how do we convert it? The first step, as it said, we have to divide 27 by 2. So what is the quotient? The quotient of 27, 1, 3, 13. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. We write the remainder at the side. Then what does the step 2 say? The step 2 said divide the quotient again by 2. Now 6 2s are 12 and the remainder is 1. Then again divide the quotient by 2. So 3 2s are 6. The remainder is 0. Mahi Kashyap, I'll be coming to you. Then again we have to divide the quotient. 2. 2 1s are 2 and the remainder is 1. So what we got? Now we have the quotient as 1. And that said in the last stage, if until you get the quotient as 1 or 0. Next step, if we do, the quotient will be 0, but at this step, the quotient is 1. So what we need to do? Now we read. We can also show you how we get the 0. So divide it by 2, the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 1. So it doesn't matter. So what we have to do now, we have to write the remainders from bottom to top. This is the reverse order. So it becomes now 27 becomes 1 1 0 1 1, isn't it? After dividing, you can see after division of the number, the 27 now becomes 1 1 0 1 1. Are 27 and 1 1 0 1 1 both are equal? No. So we have to represent that to which number system they belongs. Now the division is done. Yes, Mahi Kashyap, you want to speak or something? Just a second. I have to, yeah. Yes, Mahi.
Sir, 27 is a decimal number.
Obviously, you can see I had given you the 10, 27 cannot be binary. 27 decimal number nahi hai. And now, okay, I understood your question. You are confused, sir. इसके बाद इसमें तो कोई decimal है ही नहीं. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन यही है ना? माही काहे बंद कर दी? पूरा खत्म तो करो पहले बातचीत.
Yes, sir.
अरे गधी रे, डेसिमल का मतलब क्या? 10. पहले बढ़िया से समझ ले बेटा. बंद करना, माइक्रोफोन बंद करना, पहले समझ तो लेते हैं. डेसिमल का मतलब होता है 10. और जो नंबर सिस्टम को हम लोग 10 डिजिट से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं उसको बोल रहे हैं डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम. तो 27 is a decimal number. There is no doubt in it. You cannot say 13.05 is decimal number. अरे भाई 13.05 decimal number है. It is very true. But 13 itself is also a decimal number because it belongs to the decimal number system. वो पूरा का पूरा decimal number system को belong करता है. समझी बेटा? माही?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
हाँ, क्या समझी? The number system which we represent by 10 digits are decimal number system. मतलब हम लोग आज तक जितना भी कुछ सीखे हैं, तुम लोग जितना भी कुछ सीखे हो मैथ्स में, सारे के सारे डेसिमल नंबर्स है. समझ गए हो ना?
Yes,
Okay now.
sir.
Okay now. Now let's start move little forward. Now what did you understood? How to convert a decimal number to a binary number. एक एग्जांपल काफी है? नहीं ना? एक और एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. Let's convert 125. You can see there is only 10 minutes left. 125 को कन्वर्ट करते हैं जो कि डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में है. ठीक है, तो इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे कैसे? 125 को डिवाइड करना शुरू करते हैं। 2 से, तो 6 2 जा 12, remaining 5, 2 2 जा 4, remainder is 1. Then again divided by 2, 3 2 जा 6, remaining 2, 2 1 जा 2, remainder 0. Then you again divide 2, 2 1 are 2, 2 5 are 10, remainder 1. Then again 2, 2 7 are 14, remainder 1. Then again 2, 2 3 are 6, remainder 1. Then again divide it, 2, 2 1 are 2, and the remainder is 1. Now we write it from bottom to top. So what it becomes? That becomes, you can now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 0, then 1. And at last we write the base or radix. This is 125. Hopefully all of you have understood this. Hopefully, I'm not saying that you had understood everything. Yes. Who's this? Ankit. Yes, Ankit. Ankit.
Sir, you have given in 7 decimal. You have only written 2 1 before 0. And in
What?
125, why you have written 5? Why you have counted downwards also?
अरे गधा रे, इसमें भी वही है। इसमें भी गिनती करो कितना है, यहां से गिनती करो 1 2, फिर 0, फिर 1, फिर 1, 1 2, फिर 0, फिर 1, फिर 1। इसमें भी वही है। यहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 1 है, तो 1 2 3 4 5 1, फिर 0, फिर 1, 0 और 1। जो नंबर आएगा वही ना करेंगे।
सर तो
ऐसे हम
अगर
अपने
27 में जहाँ पे नीचे में जो 0 है ना, अगर
हाँ
वहाँ पे 1 रहता तो वो 1 को वहाँ पे लिखते।
हाँ लिखते लिखते। अब कोई भी नंबर के आगे 0 रहने का क्या फायदा? कोई फायदा तो है नहीं। 0 रहे या ना रहे कोई दिक्कत
नो
नहीं है,
सर।
है ना? मगर 1 रहने से तो
ओके
लिखना पड़ेगा,
सर।
तो
यस
इसीलिए
सर।
लिखा गया है। ठीक है, ओके। कैन यू म्यूट योरसेल्फ अंकित? ओके, एनीवन एल्स हैव एनी अदर डाउट? और किसी को कोई डाउट है? यस, प्रिंस कुमार। प्रिंस प्रिंस नहीं बोलना चाहता है। ओके, समृद्धि स्वरूप। समृद्धि।
सर सारे नंबर सिस्टम को कन्वर्ट करने का यही मेथड है।
नहीं 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 नहीं, सारे नंबर सिस्टम को कन्वर्ट करने का ये मेथड नहीं है। अलग अलग नंबर सिस्टम का अलग अलग मेथड है। तो ये जो हम मेथड बता रहे हैं ये है क्या? डेसिमल टू बाइनरी। डेसिमल नंबर, हाँ, डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम को बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम के नंबर में बदलने का प्रोसेस बता रहे हैं। अब जब ऑक्टल करेंगे तो ऑक्टल का अलग होगा, हेक्साडेसिमल का अलग होगा। ठीक है, समझ गई?
यस सर, यस सर।
Yeah. Okay then. Anyone else have another doubt? Any other doubt? Again, Prince. Yes, Prince.
सर यही अगर पॉइंट में होगा तो कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे?
पॉइंट में बाबू एक कहावत है, पहले बढ़िया से सीख तो ले। पॉइंट में का डिवाइड करना, कन्वर्ट करना बच्चा बहुत बहुत मुश्किल है। इट इज नॉट दैट इजी एट ऑल। अगर सब कुछ अभी तुम सीखना चाहोगे वो तो संभव नहीं ना है। हाँ, अभी हम तुमको
Yes,
बताने चले, अभी हम तुमको समझाने चले हाउ द लेजर लाइट वर्क्स, क्या समझोगे? क्या समझोगे?
कुछ भी
तो
नहीं
ये
सर,
तो
कुछ
यही
भी
बात
नहीं।
है। एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली। तो देखो डेसिमल नंबर्स को भी बदलने का तरीका है, आई नो इट, बट यू वुड नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एट ऑल। तो इसीलिए उसको समझना ही नहीं है, तुम्हारा सिलेबस में भी नहीं दिया गया है। वो है, तरीका तो है।
Yes, sir.
ओके ओके। एनीवन
Okay.
एल्स हैव एनी अदर डाउट? एनीवन एल्स? समझ में आ गया? तो समझ में आ गया तो आज तो आगे नहीं बढ़ेंगे, आज टाइम भी खत्म। यू कैन सी ओनली 3 मिनट्स लेफ्ट। यू कैन नॉट सी दैट, आई थिंक 3 मिनट बचा हुआ है। तो आज हम लोग नया कुछ भी बताएंगे नहीं, डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे। तो फिर से याद दिला देते हैं, लास्ट डे विदाउट अटेंडेंस हो रही है, अगले दिन से विथ अटेंडेंस क्लास होगी। सो जो भी आओगे अपने नाम से ही आना, मम्मी पापा और पड़ोसी के नाम से मत आना, ठीक है? एंड अगेन फेयर अप द एक्सरसाइज ऑफ चैप्टर 1। You don't, most of you don't have book. Those who have book, they had borrowed from someone else, I know that. So exercise is very important for you now, क्योंकि और तो कुछ तुम्हारे पास है ही नहीं, सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज ही है। तो एक्सरसाइज फेयर कर लेना, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इंक्लूडिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स एंड एवरीथिंग लिख लेना फेयर कॉपी में। that will help you a lot in exams. Okay, so nobody have any doubt anymore? So I'm going to stop the sharing and come back. Let me see, there are 22 students now in the class. I'm just reading their name out. ये राज लक्ष्मी, भाई आगे इतना सारा सजावट की जरूरत नहीं है। अंकित, अथर भगत, सजावट करके क्या करोगे? नाम सुंदर थोड़ी लगेगा, चेहरा सुंदर लगना चाहिए। सो वी हैव द स्टूडेंट्स नाउ इन द क्लास, अथर भगत, राजलक्ष्मी, अंकित, अभिनव कुमार, आशुतोष, गौरव, माही कश्यप, निखिल वाजपेयी, निशु राज, पलक राज, पीयूष कुमार, प्रगति प्रेक्षी, and Prince Kumar G, Prince Raj, Priyanshu Raj, Rajeshwi Priya, Roshan Kumar, Renaissance, Samriddhi, Satyam, Supriya, and last one is Vandana Ranjan. So your attendance should be done. So have a nice day. This is the last class, isn't it? So have a nice day. See you in the next class.